What's up, guys? It's Greeny, and I'm in Bangkok. Not too far from the Ari neighborhood, maybe a couple kilometers away, and I just stumbled upon this place called the Camping Ground. And it looks like almost like a little campsite. Just really outdoorsy, lots of trees. Looks like they have a live band at night, and there's tons of these little food stands and food trucks here. This place is so cool. Little Tokyo truck, and just all these different little food stands, a burger stand, Thai food, desserts, coffee, and it's just like in a pure Thai neighborhood. I mean, I've just been walking down the street. I was looking for an exchange place and just stumbled upon this place, and it's just so cool. I figured I'd show it to you guys. Noodles, crispy pork. There's a little coffee shop, drinks. Oh, this looks good. Wow, I might have to get this. That looks so good. This can be desserts or regular food, I think. I might have to check that out. I love crepes. Some different desserts. There's some different soups. You get some good soup with chicken feet in it. Love chicken feet, so good. So it's gonna be really hard for me to decide what to get. 60 left. The prices are really good too here. Maybe $2 to $3 a meal. I'm not sure what this one is, but. Anyways, I figured I'd just show this to you guys. They even got little water steamers coming down to keep you cool. Although it's not too bad, the whole place is pretty much in the shade. And, I'll just show you the bar. So I guess as it gets a little later and you have the live bands here, live music. Here's the bar. Pretty cool. Shanghai, 75 cents. Not too bad. Less? Oh, not bottle draft? Oh, wow. Draft beer. Oh, they have some bottles back there. Wow. All right, guys. Just thought you'd find this interesting. I did. So I was told tonight there is no live music, but they'll pull a screen down and show the Chelsea soccer game. And this place is open from 5 till midnight every night. No outside drink. Very cool.